If you exist on the internet right now and follow any account that has anything to do with fashion or celebrities, I am sure you've seen that the Ultra Mini Uggs have been having a moment. Every celebrity, every influencer you can imagine are wearing them. I first saw them in December, but I wasn't really sure if I wanted to get them or not because they're a little bit of an investment, and I'm also not the best at always like keeping up with trends because I always feel like, oh, I'm gonna get something and then it goes out of style really quickly or whatever. But my sister got them for Christmas and she was telling me how much she loves them. So I figured maybe with some of the money I got for Christmas, why not try to get a pair? But then I was looking and it was out of stock everywhere. Like legitimately Saks Fifth Avenue was like, oh yeah, these are back ordered. We'll send them out to you in June. And I'm like, okay, I live in California. I'm not gonna want Uggs in June. So I figured I would keep an eye out, see if anything came in stock. And I saw finally on the Ugg website, the size 8, which should be my size, came into where you could actually back order it. And it would be in the beginning of February. Well, I ordered it. It came in today. It came in early, and I am so excited to try these on. Oh my gosh, look how cute these are. There's so many. I mean, I know they are, but the last time I had Uggs, they were black ones that went up to my knee and had like a zipper. Oh, these are so fun. I'm so excited. Look how soft. I really hope these fit, because I will be really sad if they don't. So what do we think? Do we like them? Do we love them? Do we keep them? Let me know.